Abay Summer. When summer in the mountains gains its peak, when gaily blooming flowers begin to fade, when nomads from the sunshine refuge seek, beside the rapid river in a glade, then in the grassy meadows here and there the salutatory neighing can be heard, of vari-colored stallion and the mare, quite shoulder deep in the water stands the herd. The grown-up horses wave their silky tails, lazily shooing of some irksome pest, while frisky colts go frolicking about, upsetting elder horses at their rest. The geese fly honking through the cloudless skies, the ducks skim noisily across the river. The girl sets up the felt tent slim and spry, as coy and full merriment as ever, returning from his flocks pleased with his ride. Again in the aula appears the boy. His horse goes on with an hurried stride. He sits and smiles upon it that every, surrounding the Saba in a close ring, sipping their heady beverage kumis. Old men sit by yurta, gossiping and chuckling at quips rarely amiss. Incited by the servants comes a lad to beg the cook his mother for some meat, beneath an evening gay and richly clad. The bays on gorgeous carpets take their seats and they sip their tea engaged in the leisured talk. One speaks while others listen and admire. His eloquence and the wit towards them walks, a bent old man bereft of strength and the fire. He shows and the shepherds not to raise the dust, aiming to win the favor of the bays. And yet in the vain he raised such a fuss, they sit and never even turn their eyes. They're tucking up the hems of their chapans, leisurely swaying in their saddles as they trot. From nightly grazing come the young chapans, wiping their lusty steeds, God knows for what. A long way off from the owl's last dance, with the movement and the excitement getting warm, one horseback too, the bay's son and his friends enjoy the falcon hunt. The birds in splendid form, at one quick spurt such falcons catch them, bring aggression to earth's great and wieldy grease. Meanwhile the bent old man, unlucky things that today that had nigh gone horse and place. The haughty bays, unnoticed, watch one, and sighs for sorrow that his time is gone.